Great, I hope that was fun and that was a lot of learning. So we've just went through phase 1 and I think it's time for you to celebrate. You've lasted all this while and you've went through all the videos, and I'm glad that you were able to also practice. If you have not, please do practice this. It's very important. Practice is key to the success of you becoming a great Python developer and continue the journey on whatever you want to become and learning Python. So we learned about all the basic data structures. Be sure to practice them. And there are certain websites that I'm referencing on this video where you can go and test your mettle on Python by solving some challenges and see where you stand them against other people out there. So those are going to be very tricky. They're going to test your skills, but I believe very strongly that you will be able to solve them. Again, you have to commit time. The more time you commit, the better you become as a Python developer. You cannot become an expert at something by only going over these videos. They are only introductions, but I'm sure you're one of those people who will actually give this time and attention it requires and practice and become marinate in Python and become a seasoned Python developer. And I will see you in phase 2, where I'm super excited that now that we have knocked off phase 1 and all the basics with covered and a strong foundation in our kitty, I think we will be able to go on, stamp on some of those cool Python libraries and phase 2, and we're going to do so much more with all that we've learned so far. So see you in phase 2, guys, and I hope all this was fun, and I'm glad to see you learning and becoming a Python developers on your own. Thank you so much for watching this video and all the series phase 1, and I'll be glad to see you in phase 2 and walk you through some more Python in phase 2. Thank you so much.